friends, let's get straight into this fantastic song. And we're tuned to E flat, then go down to 330 tuning. As always, we'll do all the guitar parts, so let's get into it. So for guitar 1, which is on the left, we're going to play the open A. Then we're going to do the standard kiss chord, 9 on the D, 7 on the G, 8 on the B. We're going to play it, we're going to pull off the 9 and pull off the 8 on the B. And then play 7 on the G. And we do that 2 times. That's the first one. Then we do another 3. Now the only change is we're going to play the open A and the 7 on the D each time. And then the rest stays the same. And do that 3 times, and that's guitar 1. So for guitar 2, it's nearly the same. We're going to play open A7 on the D, and we'll do this 4 times. Then we play our 9, 7, 8, the same as guitar 1, pull off to the 7s. Now this time play 7G and 7D, and do that 2 times. And just repeat that 4 times, and they're all the parts to the intro. So for our verse, guitar 1's going to continue on from our intro and play exactly the same. The O and 7, then our fill, and do that 2 times. Then we're going up to an F power chord, do a mute to a G chord, a mute to a D chord, then go back to our 9D, 7G, 8B 2 times, and 7D, G and B 2 times, and just play that through 2 times. Now guitar 2 is very similar. We're going to continue from guitar 2 from the intro, and we play the same again 2 times. Now we go to the F power chord, do a mute, go to the G power chord, so instead of going back to our G open chord, we're coming up to the G power chord. The rest stays the same, mute to a D power chord, and then our 9, 7, 8 2 times back to our 7. And that's our verse there. Now for our pre-chorus, guitar 1 is just going to play the E string, open 2, 3, then a G chord, and then A string, 2, 3, open D to a D chord, and do that 2 times. 2 times there, then play the open E, come back up to the F power chord, play it and hold for 3, 1, 2, 3, play it again, come up to the G power chord, and then we're going back to an A power chord, then play the open A string, 4 on the D, open A, 2 on the D, open A, 4 on the D, and just our A power chord. So guitar 2, the start stays exactly the same, open 2, 3, G, 2, 3, open D, 2 times there. Now we're going to play the 7 on the A string, come up to the F, do a down, up, down, come up to the G, and we're going to do a blues pattern here. So 10A, 12, D 2 times, and then 10A, 14, D, back to 10, 12, come back to the A power chord 2 times, and then open A, 4 on the D, back to the A 2 times, open and 4, and then just 5 times on the A power chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now before we go on, welcome to my channel dedicated just to Kiss songs. Here you'll get guitar lessons from all eras, from the early classics to deep cuts and everything in between. And I'll be uploading a new song every week and covering all the guitar parts. So please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let's keep going. guitar 1 we're playing 5 on the D and the G to 6 to 7. Mute, play the G chord, repeat that again, 5, 6, 7, mute, G chord, mute again, play the F chord, mute to the C power chord, mute to the G. Now to finish it off, we're going to play a C power chord, we're going to play it and pull off the 3rd fret on the A string to the open 2 times. And then just a G power chord 2 times. So that's guitar 1. Guitar 2 is similar. We're going to start on a C power chord here on the E and the A string, so 8 E, 10 on the B, play that, come up a fret, come up to 10 and 12, so we're on the D, play it 2 times, then 10 E, 14 on the A, back to 10 and 12, then just jump down a string and do the same thing, 10 A, 12 D 2 times, and 10 and 14, back to 10 and 12, and we repeat that 2 times. Then we're just muting, go to the F, mute again, go to the C, mute a G chord, and then we're doing the same as guitar 1 with our pull-offs, and G 2 times. And they're all the parts to the chorus. So for our second verse, we just play it through once, and guitar 1 plays exactly the same as our previous verse. Guitar 2 is going to start the same with our O and 7 and our fill 2 times. And again. Now this time we're going to come up to the F and we're going to do a blues pattern. So 2 on the F, 8 A, 12 D, back to 8 and 10, mute, and then come up to the G and do the same thing. Mute, come back to the D, do the same thing, and then finish it the same way on our 9, 7, 8 2 times to our 7. And they're all the parts to our second verse. For our next pre-chorus, guitar 1 and 2 stay exactly the same. Guitar 3 is going to come in with these little fills. We're going to have 10 on the G, 8 on the B. We play them together and just bend the 10, and we do that 3 times. And that's the only difference there, and that's our second pre-chorus. From there we go back to the chorus, and guitar 1 and 2 stay the same. Then we have our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. We're going to start on an A chord, do it down, up, down. Then go to our 9, 7 and 8 pull off, and our 7 on the G and the D 2 times. Jump back to the A chord, do that again. Then we're coming up to the F, we're going to do down, down, up to the G power chord, the same, down, down, up. Back to a D power chord, do down, then do 7, D and G, and then finish the same as our verses. 9D, 7G, 8B 2 times, and the 7s 2 times. And that's our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. Then for our pre-chorus, guitar 1 and 2 stay the same, and our fill changes here, we're going to still be 10 on the G, 8 on the B, 2 bends. Then just move up 2 frets, 12G, 10B, do a bend, release, bend there. And that's the only difference. So for our outro chorus, we're going to repeat this to the end. Guitar 1, the chorus stays the same, our D and G, 5, 6, 7, mute to our G, do that again, 5, 6, 7, mute, G, to our F power chord with our blues pattern, 2 on the F, then 8, A, 12, D, back to the F. Now we're going to play A string, 8, 7, 5 to a C power chord, and then on the A string 3, 2, open to a G chord, back to the A, open 2, 3, play the G again, we're going to do it down, up, and then we just repeat that to the end. So that last part there, and keep repeating that to the end. Then guitar 2 is similar to our previous choruses. We still have the C, C sharp to the D 2 times, the 10 and 14 back to the 10, then we're coming to the A string, 10, 12 and the D 2 times, 10 and 14, 10 and 12, and we do that 2 times. Do a mute, play the F power chord, and we finish the same. 8, 7, 5 to the C power chord, 3, 2, open. Now do a G power chord and open 2, 3 on the A. Now go to a G chord and just do 3 up strums. And they're all the rhythm parts. Now let's tackle the solos. So we're going to start with a bend on the 7G and hold 8B, and we're going to bend, release, bend, release, bend, release. Then bend the 7G, play 7, 5, hammer onto 7, pull off to 5 on the G, 7D, back to G, 7, 5, 7 on the D. Then do the same again, 7 and 8 with our bend and release. Now this time on the B, 5, 8, 5, hammer on and pull off. 7G, back to the B, 5, bend 8, play 5E and bend the 8 again. Then we're jumping up to the 12th fret G, slide up to 14. Play 13, B and E and bend 16B. Then 14G, slide up to 16. Play 15B, 15E and bend 18B. Back to the 9G, slide up to 11. Then play 10B, 10E, 10B. We're going to bend 13E, play 13, do 10, 13, 10, hammer on and pull off on the E, 13B, back to 10E, then bend the 13 on the B, release and pull off to 12. And that's our main solo. Now let's have a look at the outro solo. So we're going to start on 12 G and B, and we're just doing a lot of vibrato on there. Then we're bending 12 G, play 10 B, 10 E, 13 on the B, 10, 13, 10, hammer on and pull off on the B. Then just play 12 G and slide down. Then we go back to the 12 G and B with our vibrato. play 12, G and B, play it again and pull off the 10, G and B, play 12, D and G, and then just 12 G, 10 G, and then 12 D, and slide down. And then last solo, we're going to bend 12 on the G, play 10 on the B and the E 2 times. We're going to do that 3 times. Then bend 13 B, play 13, 10, 10, 13, 10, hammer on pull off, 12 on the G. Then we're going to bend 12 G, play 10 on the E, back to B, 13, pull off the 10, and we do that 2 times. Then bend 12 G, jump to 13 B, pull off the 10 2 times. So we're doing that 2 times. Then go back to the bend on the 12 G, 10 on the E, 13, pull off the 10 on the B, and we're doing that 10 times. 10 times there, then jump back to 10 on the E, pull off the 8, and 10 on the B. We're doing that 12 times, and then to finish off we have this little run down, 10 on the E, 13 B, back to E, 10, B, 13, 10, bend 12 G, 10 on the B, 13 pull off the 10 on the B, 12 pull off the 10 on the G, G, 12, 10, D, 12 pull off the 10, and the A, 12, 11, 10. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Plaster Caster guitar lesson. Don't forget, if you love Kiss, to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.